In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Color Sampler tool in Photopea. The Color Sampler is a simple but powerful way to keep track of exact color values in an image while you edit. It places small numbered targets on your photo and shows you the precise color at those spots, so you can match tones, check skin balance, or keep shadows and highlights consistent across edits. Start by opening Photopea in your browser. It runs right in the window, so there's nothing to install. For the best experience, use a modern desktop browser and make sure your image file is saved somewhere easy to find. Once Photopea loads, choose Open from Computer. This lets you import a file from your device directly into the canvas. Select the image you want to analyze and confirm it opens in a new Document tab. You should see your photo centered on the canvas with the Layers panel on the right and the Tools on the left. Next, head to the toolbar on the left and locate the eyedropper tool. If you don't immediately see the color sampler, right-click or click and hold on the eyedropper icon to expand its group. From that menu, choose Color Sampler. Your cursor will change to a small target, indicating the tool is active. Look along the top options bar to familiarize yourself with settings like sample size. If you're working with a noisy or grainy image, a 3x3 or 5x5 average can give a more reliable reading than a single pixel. Now click directly on the canvas to place your first sampler point. You'll see a small numbered marker appear where you clicked. Each marker corresponds to a readout of that pixel's color values, such as RGB, and in many workflows you can keep an eye on those values while you adjust curves, levels, or color balance. Add additional points to areas you want to monitor, commonly a highlight, a midtone, and a shadow, so you can compare how changes affect different parts of the image. If a point isn't in the perfect spot, you can reposition it to a nearby area that better represents the color you want to track. As you continue editing, those sampler points stay in place, helping you make objective decisions. For example, you can nudge highlights brighter while ensuring they don't clip or balance skin tones by watching the relationship between the red and green channels. When you're finished sampling, simply continue with your edit or close the document. Your sampler marks are non-destructive and are there to guide you, not to alter the image. And that's it. You've used the Color Sampler tool in Photopea to analyze and control color with confidence.